wall composite tube. To give you a background on composites, composites are made by stacking various materials on top of itself in different directions. You see this on the market in several different marketplaces, such as automotive, sporting goods, aerospace, and military. Our product is created by pairing together a wax wire with carbon fiber, and we surround the wax wire core with that material, and we can do it with several other materials. You then take our material and surround it around, let's say, a composite tube or a different type of mandrel or structure. You then heat it, and the wax evaporates, leaving this hollow cell structure. As you see, there's a standard composite tube on the left, and it's very, very different to the eye. Now, as aesthetically pleasing as that is, it is not the most important thing. The important thing are the benefits. It is 1.4 times stronger in lateral compression than a standard composite tube of the exact same weight and size. So you're adding properties without adding weight. This is really big in a lot of these markets. The cells itself act as a really good layer of insulation if you leave them hollow, or because the cell structure is helical, you can flow air or fluid through it, and this is really good in temperature regulating, for instance, in de-icing a plane wing. And the last thing, the inner and outer walls of the tube vibrate at 2 different frequencies, and they cancel each other out. And so you're getting vibration dampening materials, insulation, properties, and strength without adding any weight, or very, very little. We currently have 3 patents on this, and we have 1 pending. So the market that we're targeting is the aerospace market. The reason why is we want to target this because everything trickles down from aerospace, and we want to take advantage of that. And so the aerospace market, the way it works is you want to target the big companies' third-party providers for their parts. And so that is a $52 billion industry, and next to that is the composite tube market alone, and those are used for parts also, and that's a $29 billion industry. So our immediate addressable market is about $5 billion. Our business model. Now we follow a licensing model. And so the first thing is a standard licensing agreement. This is issued to the company per application. The second would be a manufacturing agreement, and this is based on whether they want to manufacture our product in-house or if they want to go through us. And then the third is a royalty agreement, and this is the percentage we take with everything that includes our technology. Now our go-to-market strategy, we have 3 things we want to do here. The first thing is seminars. One thing about engineers that you'll learn is they really like to have a very vast resume, and they like to be on the top of their game. And so we're adding a new skill by providing them the expertise on how to integrate our product into their solutions and their designs. So it gives them an edge. So this way they learn about our technology, but they also learn a new skill that they can put on their resume. The second are trade shows. We all know it's a great place to be in front of some of the top companies. And the third is directing them to our online shop, and this is our sample quantities, where they can use our smaller quantities for prototyping and product development purposes prior to committing to a larger licensing deal. So right now, our financial projections, by the end of 2016, we're looking to reach about $5 million based on current negotiations that we have, and then we're hoping to reach about $60 million by the end of 2020. About 60% of those we're projecting will come from licensing deals, about 30% from material sales, and that's from us manufacturing, and then the last 10% from samples, seminars, et cetera. So we decided we don't have any direct competition, so what I did was compare it to the other materials on the market that have a lot of the same qualities. And as you can see, when compared to 5 different materials, we actually outperformed every single one of them in at least 4 categories, if not more. Now our management team. There's 2 of us that are full-timers, and Robert, he is my partner, and he's actually speaking at a composites convention on the East Coast today. And he is a top R&D machinist and aerospace engineer in Silicon Valley. He's been doing that for several years, which led him to the US Congress, where he actually solved sole source monopolies for the US government. And he also holds 4 patents. Myself, my background's in performance and business psychology, performance consulting, and I have some sales and marketing experience. So the 2 of us with his background in technology and mine in marketing and business strategy, we have paired together and we're a great team. Thank you guys so much for your time, and we hope to see you upstairs.